Now to the third floor. And now the third floor. So more nut drivers, dual bits. I need that one. More Husky screwdrivers. Big Husky screwdrivers. Look like Craftsman screwdrivers. Yep. More framing hammers. All kinds more screwdrivers. Those look like the Husky USA ones. These right here are the little Craftsman ones. Still USA. Oh. Phillips 0. And more boxes of screwdrivers. Husky and Craftsman. Husky bit drivers. Got some Easy Lock vice grip style pliers. Some really long Husky screwdrivers. See, all screwdrivers. Craftsman, Husky, most USA. Some of the Huskies been China. Assorted. More of the Craftsman USA ball end hex drivers. Over here we got a bunch of leather strips. Bunch of their leather for repairing bags or making smaller pouches. More leather. They have a chair where you can actually sit and rest a while before you continue your journey. More gloves. All kinds of gloves. Ha! Knox Fit. Soon to be Knox tested. Okay, so they have some Ideal USA slip joints. Flush mount. Some more shop brushes. Got some plastic pails. Got you some plastic trays. It's like all thread. They are a hardware store. At some hardware. Igloo cup dispenser for your paper cone cups. Here's some more of those Robo Pros. More Gravik hammers. SK Expert 2 Facom. That's why they were French. Facom. Gravik long super bars. They got a lot of them. Made in USA Husky. Just some fiberglass handles here. Some more Gravik, or framer right there. Some more wooden handles there for your brooms. Hammer handles, axe handles. Angled wire strippers. Klein. Number K9 14-2. More Gravik hammers. Yeah, all those are Gravik hammers. Liquids. Oh, that's always a good sign. Not for sale in California. That's how you know it's good. Yeah, these are all paints and primers. Gravik hammers and squares. More Husky screwdrivers. So I got some bungee cords. USA. Oh, those are Craftsman, not the Husky. Bessie tin snips. Old Craftsman Professional. Oh, Western Forge Professional. Western Forge Professional, not Craftsman Professional. But guess who made them for Craftsman? I wonder. And striking chisels. Craftsman. Or Craftsman screwdrivers. And Craftsman little bitty guys. Craftsman needle nose. Got some cast iron lodge stuff here. Knuppler. Strike Pro. 40 ounce. Dead blow. Short handle dead blow too. It's a Camp Axe's no sheath. A belt axe. Nice. Gunk. Got some Wiss sheet metal shapers. Wiss hand seamers. A welding blanket. Burns Matic. Torches. And I think gas. Yep, come with the gas. More adjustable Ajax spud wrenches. Well, these are Craftsman. These are Craftsman. Hudson sprayers. Camp gas. More pins and punches, nail sets. Craftsman nail sets. Strike Pro dead blows. Farrier hammers. More nylon straps. We got some cable spools. Actual crescent wrenches. Narex chisels. Made in Czech Republic. Oh, there's their different flavors. Got some tarps. And some paint rollers. Nylon rope. Looks like natural fiber. More straps, more rope. Got another little workstation here. Huh. A whisk broom. I thought that might have been for, short witches. Oh, nice. Big old thick squeegees. Look at that. Look at how thick that is. Those are good. Good squeegees right there. Oh, 24-inch floor brushes. Or shop brooms. A little downtown Kansas City for you. Got more brooms and broom handles. More rope, cable. Found the elevator again. Look, you'd see this and you think, it's probably trash. No. You get back here, there's all kinds of tools back here in these pallets. Gravik, Husky, some of those orange handle pliers there. AccuMeasure. Oh, comes with a flashlight. That's kind of cool. Oh, combination squares. More wire brushes. More screwdrivers, more hammers. Oh, Bond Hess. Hex ball drivers. I love how they label the boxes. Yep, it's a Husky Scratch Owl. Husky Scratch Owl, more hammers. That's a Matic pickaxe handle. More combination squares. More of the Husky driver T-handles. And they have another bit in there. Spare hole for extra. More rope and wire strands. More your glass bottles. Hooks. More straps. Those are ratchet straps. There's your Craftsman. Made in USA. Ball hex. 3/32 up to 1/4 inch. As you see, Western Forge, Colorado. Yeah, more screwdrivers. Grip drivers. Galvanized trash cans.